Are you a CLAT aspirant searching for a good coaching institute? Then Abhyaas is your place. But the question is, why Abhyaas? At Abhyaas, we have combined cutting-edge technology with our expertise of faculty to offer unparalleled coaching. Understanding the core challenges of cracking the CLAT is our forte. This involves not just grasping the content, but also applying it effectively. When it comes to content comprehension, we prioritize reading speed, understanding, and retention of key concepts. To facilitate this, we have developed ReadMark, an application on our EdMark portal. It encourages students to dwell into various texts and books and then apply their knowledge in attending quizzes. We at Abhyaas conduct over 75 mock tests to gauge our students' progress, providing each with personalized feedback. Our proprietary software analyzes test scores, offering detailed insights into time management, attempts, and accuracy by sections. These analytical reports form the backbone of our strategy sessions during our monthly aspirants teacher meeting, the ATM. Our team of expert faculties leverages this data to tailor study plans and techniques for each student. In our classroom, we focus on building foundational skills from the grassroots level. With a student-teacher ratio of less than 1:20, we ensure personalized attention to foster individual growth. Our faculty members hailing from prestigious institutions like NLUs, NITs, IIMs bring wealth of experience. Having conquered competitive exams like CLAT, State Public Service Commission exams, CAT, RBI exams, they are apt to guiding students towards success. Having said that, what are you waiting for? Join Abhyaas now.